It's been a dramatic day of testimony at the Kevin Strickland hearing. Strickland is seeking his freedom after spending 43 years in prison for 3 murders he testified he did not commit. Investigative reporter Angie Rocona reports on today's developments.
We just had closing arguments. Attorneys for Kevin Strickland question why all of these people would say Cynthia Douglas recanted if that wasn't really accurate. However, lawyers for the Missouri Attorney General's office call all of that hearsay and say if this eyewitness really wanted to recant, she would have done so. Kevin Strickland told us he was hopeful heading into this 3rd day of testimony. This case is so old, much of the evidence is gone. And that's standard for 1978 murder cases. The shotgun is no longer in police evidence, but there are fingerprints. Those don't connect Strickland to this crime.
All of those prints of value excluded Mr. Strickland.
That is correct.
We also heard from a retired detective who gave a different perspective. He was the first to the house where Cynthia Douglas crawled to for help. He testified he remembers this case.
Sir, did you testify in 1979 that Cynthia Douglas told you the name Naughty?
Yes, I did.
Are you testifying today that Cynthia Douglas told you the name Naughty?
Yes.
Judge, I'm going to have to go 1 or 2 more over my 2. Did she tell you the name Naughty?
Yes.
And the jury that heard all the testimony that everybody's been asking you about that you weren't present for, at the end of that trial, they convicted Kevin Strickland, didn't they?
Yes.
No more questions, Your Honor.
Attorneys for both sides are submitting final legal briefs, so it's unclear when the judge will have his ruling. Remember, this is a new law which allows Kevin Strickland to come back to court represented by the prosecutor. We will keep you posted on everything. Reporting from the Jackson County Courthouse, Angie Rocona, KCTV5 News.